Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Iconic 1971 Chevelle. That's right. It's got the whole front end for a 70 on there. Hard to tell the difference. Let's take a look at this. Driver quality, 25-year-old restoration. It definitely has some flaws in the paint, but 5 feet away, it's definitely shining. You can see that right now. Great lines. Sitting on 20 staggered inch tire and wheel package. Black vinyl top. Car lines up great. All your gaps are great. 25 years ago, when this car was getting redone, they put on all new quarters and a trunk pan and did it right. I mean, you can see the way it lines up. Really good. Flowmaster exhaust system, great sound. This car's powered by a 406, built up a little bit. It's got a 12-bolt rear end. It's got a 3-speed automatic transmission. Just lines up good. Great driver quality car, priced absolutely right. Cowl inducted hood. All your chrome is in good shape all the way through. Your badging's good. Black stripes painted right in. No chips or dents, just a little, see it up there. Those are some of the imperfections in the paint. But like I said, driver quality. It's got sport mirrors, it's got another mirror on the passenger side. All your glass is in great shape, chrome molding around there. Wipers. Driver's glass, good. Chrome, handles, good. Tires, brand new with 20-inch wheels, like I said. And a tiny little scratch here. Trunk lines up great. Rear glass is good. Some nice lineup. Great ass. Vinyl top's in good shape. No bubbling or pitting in there. Your normal spots where it usually does. It's all good. Passenger window glass is good. Passenger sport mirror. Chrome handles. Again, great lineup with the gaps all the way down. Really nice car. Great stance. Let's take a look inside the cabin. Seatbelts intact in the rear. 6x9 speakers. All your door panels are good. No rust to be found anywhere. Seats are in good condition. Dash pad is good. Sun visors are intact. Horse shifter. Nice car. Carpets are good. All right, let's fire it up. Tilt steering wheel, nice option to have. Cowl inducted hood. Nice sound. All done up nice. These quarters were all replaced. Floor was done, trunk floor was done. Brake weld marks all the way through. Slotted power disc brakes, nice. So the heater is not working and the horn isn't working. All your lights, blinkers, tail lights are operable. All your weather stripping's good all the way throughout. Just a great car at a great value. If you guys and gals are looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go to my website, MGM Classic Cars, pick where the car is at, apply now, 10% down, up to 84 months financing. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, 84 months financing, generally 24 hours for approval to wire the money right in your bank. If you need quotes on shipping, you can call me or text me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Text me, call me, I'll get you some quotes on shipping, bonded and insured. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We are open from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. So if you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com, and you'll be seeing more of me. Have a great day, and I'm Earl.